one single tweet to Comic Relief, actually to Emma Floyd, to say, have you thought about getting bloggers involved for Comic Relief? Annie and I went to see Comic Relief. We wanted to do some fundraising. We went to their offices and Annie went berserk because we saw that the red noses were going to be dinosaurs. So, we left there thinking, they think that we're actually just nuts. Nothing's going to come of this. We are nuts. And we walked out thinking, we've blown it. Nothing's going to come of this. And then 3 weeks later, we got an email saying, we want to go to Ghana. We want to take 3 bloggers. Will you come with us? And it just completely blew us away. We had to keep it quiet. We couldn't keep things quiet. So we came up with a secret thing. Secret thing just exploded. And then we finally told people what we were doing, and everybody got behind us. So if you tweeted a secret thing, or you did a blog post, you stand up